Welcome to Anchor Mills. Today I'm in South Vancouver, very close to the Fraser River, at this amazing townhome that just got listed. It is contemporary and beautifully finished inside with just under 1,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths over 3 levels. It also has not one, but 2 amazing rooftop patios with a stunning view. Let's go check it out. Ground floor features wood floors, 9 feet ceilings, and an open concept floor plan that connects the living room to the dining and kitchen. European-inspired gourmet kitchen features white flat panel cabinets, Bosch appliances, and Fisher & fridge. The second floor has 2 bedrooms where the master bedroom is also located. The bright and spacious master can fit a king-size bed comfortably and also comes with a huge closet and ensuite bathroom. Third floor upper bedroom features a custom built-in wardrobe that has a Murphy bed and a pull-out desk to make a convenient home office. So also on this floor is that amazing patio I mentioned earlier. It has a stunning view of the Fraser River. It comes with a fire pit, a foosball table, and a gas hookup for your barbecue. It can be your perfect oasis for entertaining your guests or relaxation on a warm summer day. But wait, there's more. There's one more patio upstairs from this level, and it's meant for a full-size hot tub. So call me, text me, DM me, however you want, but come see this home ASAP because it will not last long in this hot market. See you.